Welcome to Yogi PC Tube. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows 10 and 11. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install and run Android apps on your Windows PC with ease. So, let's get started. Step 1. Enable virtualization. Open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab. Look for Virtualization under the CPU section. If it says Enabled, you are good to go. If it says Disabled, you need to enable it in the BIOS UEFI settings. To enable virtualization in BIOS, restart your computer and enter BIOS UEFI. Look for Intel VTX, AMD or virtualization technology and enable it. Save changes and exit. Step 2. Enable WSA features. Download the Enable WSA features script. Check the comments or description for the link. Run the script to enable all necessary features for the Windows Subsystem for Android. Step 3. Install WSA Manager with APK Installer. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for WSA Manager with APK Installer. Click Get Install and wait for the installation to complete. Open the app once installed. Step 4. Set up WSA Manager. Click Let's Start. Click Check WSA Status. Click Install WSA and follow the prompts. Click Start WSA and confirm. Click Start ADB and confirm. Click Connect WSA to ADB. Go to WSA Settings, Advanced Settings, and enable Developer Mode. Allow ADB debugging when prompted. Step 5. Check for updates for Windows Subsystem for Android. To ensure WSA runs smoothly, you need to check for updates in the Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Click on the Library or Downloads and Updates section. Look for Windows Subsystem for Android in the list. If an update is available, click Update and wait for the installation to complete. Step 6. Install APK Installer. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for APK Installer and install it. Open the app once installed. Step 7. Install and run APK files. In the APK Installer, select your desired APK file. Install the APK and launch the app. Enjoy using Android apps on your Windows PC. That's it. You've successfully set up Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yogi PC Tube for more tech guides. Have questions? Drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. See you in the next video.